Accounting is the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions. It provides a clear picture of the financial health of your organization and its performance, which can serve as a catalyst for resource management and strategic growth. Accounting is like a powerful machine where you input raw data or figure and get processed information or financial statement. The whole point is to give you an idea of what's working and what's not working so that you can fix it. Accounting information exposes your company financial performance. It tells whether you're making a profit or just running into loss at the end of the day. This information is not just available to you, but also to external users such as investors, stakeholders, and creditors who would want to be enlightened about your business to figure out whether it be a good choice to invest in and what they can expect in returns. Besides playing a key role in providing transparency for shareholders, accounting also ensures you make informed decisions backed by data.